Today in the El Yucateco kitchen, we're making something that everyone is going to love. Our slow cooker warm apple delight is loaded with tender apples, cinnamon, brown sugar, and just the right touch of our sauce to make this recipe perfect. For today's recipe, you'll need just a few simple ingredients, starting with 6 Granny Smith apples peeled and sliced, 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of butter, and anywhere from 1/2 ounce to 1 ounce of our El Yucateco Habanero and Ghost. Adjust for your desired level of added kick. Just get all these ingredients into your slow cooker, mix well to combine, and set it to the low setting for about 3 to 4 hours or until your apples achieve that perfect level of tenderness. Then you can serve it up any way you like. This goes great with crackers, on its own, and did we mention this goes amazing on ice cream? Give this one a try and thank us down in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, don't forget to kick up all your recipes with the King of Flavor. And we'll see you on the next one.